Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use this scientific calculator. Yours might look exactly the same as this transparent blue model or something similar, but the buttons and functions work the same. So let's get started. First, let's take a quick tour. So this mini display here at the top only tells time and it has nothing to do with your actual calculation. Next, we move on to this main display right here. So this is the main screen where all the basic functions, all your calculations, everything is going to be shown. Next, we have the power button. In the top right corner here, you'll see on, and you're going to have to press it to turn on your calculator. So here, as you can see, this is the AC button. So anything you press on your calculator, you can press this AC right here to clear it out. Okay, so we are going to start pretty simple. So here 2 plus 3, you press equals right here and you have your answer. If you press 9 divided by 4, you get a decimal answer. So basically what I'm trying to show you is that all basic arithmetic works perfectly well on a standard calculator like this one. And we're going to press AC here to clear out all the previous information that we had. So you may notice that a lot of the buttons here have second functions. They have second functions here, as you can see, here. So if you have to activate these second functions, all you have to do is to press shift and you select whatever function you want to select. So let's say you want to press sun raised to -1. You're going to press shift and you're going to press this one. So that is exactly how you activate all these second functions. This calculator has all the basic functions that you're going to study in school. So if you want to do exponents or you want to calculate exponents, you have 2 here, and if you want to raise to the power of 2, all you have to do is press this button right here and press equals. So that's the answer. So let's say you don't want to raise to the power of 2, but you want to raise to the power of 9. You press 2, you press this button right here, raise to the power of 9, and you press equals. So there's your answer. So as for trigonometry, if you want to use sine, cosine, tangent, all of these are available. Also, if you want to use logarithms, you have the log function here as well. As for fractions, let's say you want to do 2 over 9. There you have it. So this button right here where you see AB over C, this right here is for fractions. For scientific notations, if you have to use the EXP button, it's right here. So let's see, you say 5 EXP plus 2, press equals, and you have your answer. So on the calculator, there's also the memories function. Here's the memory function. So if you want to say 5 plus 2, you have 7. If you want to add 7 to your memory, you just press right here and plus. Okay, so 7 has been added to your memory. You can say 7 minus 10, and you're going to get -3 because 7 has already been added to your memory. So if you don't want to add to your memory, you want to subtract from your memory instead, the second function, all you have to do is press shift and you press this number right here. Then you're now subtracting from your memories. Now, if you want to change the mode of the calculator, so let's say you press mode here, you are going to see 3 different kinds of modes. So there's the COMP, there is the stats. This is the statistics model. Then you have the table model. So you usually don't have to concern yourself with this, but please ensure that you are on the COMP model, because this is what you're going to have to use for regular calculations. So 1 is okay, and you can proceed with your calculations. For the final tips, if you make any small mistakes in your numbers, it's better to press delete than to press AC, because if you press AC, you'll completely erase everything you've done. So for single characters, delete is preferable. And also, if you, let's say you put 5, 8, 4, 2, and you realize that 8 right here is the problem, you want to change this 8 to 7, instead of pressing AC, just come back with your calculator. As you can see, once 8 here is blinking, that means that you're currently on 8, so you can change that to 7, and that is pretty simple. So that's pretty much it. Now you know how to use your scientific calculator for schoolwork, homework, exams, etc. Thank you so much for watching.